Hello all, welcome to Raj Informatica. Please subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Today I am going to discuss what is the difference between active lookup, passive lookup, how to do a mapping with active lookup transformation in Powercenter, how to do a mapping with active lookup in IICS. That is our topic today. If you see here, suppose this is my lookup table. Okay. So this is my lookup cache, suppose. For example, this is my lookup cache. Lookup has created a cache. Okay. Lookup has created a cache. Now, what first record will go to target as it is, and 101 will go here. Is 101 exist in lookup cache? Is 101 exist in lookup cache? How many 101s? How many 101s? 3 101s. As lookup is a passive, it should take 101 and it should give any 101. How it will decide? Which 101? There are 560043 Bangalore, 560044 Bangalore, 560042 Bangalore. Which one will go to target? Which one will return lookup? Lookup will return what? It will not return all. Lookup is a passive. It will not return all. It will return any one value. Which value it will return? That is my question. How it will decide it is 43 or 44 or 42? This concept I already explained in Powercenter. Which property will decide this? Which property will decide this? Oh guys, 1 second guys, please, sorry. Hello. Yeah, sorry guys. So if you see here, which property will decide in Powercenter? When lookup is a passive, in Powercenter, when lookup is a passive, okay. So there is one option called lookup policy and multiple match, correct? Did you try? Did you see this option? In this, the default value is use any value. Same way, in IICS, when you click on lookup, come to lookup object, and if you see the lookup object, are you seeing multiple matches? Return any row. Here any value, use any value, but here return any row. Same, both same. So it can return any one, either this or this or this. Are you clear? Understood? Lookup will decide which one it should send. So it may send the first one or the last one or the middle one. We don't know. Lookup will decide. That is called return any row. If you select first row, then it will send this record, first record to target. For 101, there are 3 records. Return first record, return first row means first row it will send. Suppose if you select last row, it will send this. Are you clear? Suppose if you select any row, it will send any record. If you select report error, it will fail. Whenever lookup found multiple matches, it will fail. So for passive transformation, these four we will use: return first row or last row or any row or report error. Are you clear, please? Understood? Everyone? Did you understand, guys? Yes, please. Clear about it? Now, how to make lookup as an active transformation? First we'll go to Powercenter. I will tell you in Powercenter. Now, in Powercenter, how to make. So now I am telling, just a second, please wait. Just a second, guys. Let me tell you and I'll clearly explain. So did you understand the three options? Did you understand the three options, please? Everyone? When lookup is a passive, did you understand the three options? Are you clear about three options, please? Any doubts in three options? Any doubts in three options, please? When lookup is a passive transformation, here we have three options: first value, last value, report error. Okay, or any value. By default, it will be any value. Any value means for multiple match, it can take any value to target. If it is first row, it will take first row to target. If it is last row, it will take last row to target. It will take last row to target. This is the last row to target. If it is report error, session will fail. That is, map will fail. Okay, that is about it. Now, I am sending location ID. 1 second. Postal code. Sorry, postal code city, right? Postal code and city. Okay, and this as it is, it will go. Okay, like this we have. And these are in underscore customer ID. This is passive lookup, correct? This is passive lookup. This is my passive lookup. So now the topic is how to make. So let me give this lookup name also. Now the topic is, guys, how to make lookup as an active transformation. How to make lookup as an active transformation. If you make lookup as an active transformation, what will happen? Suppose if you make lookup as an active transformation, what it will do is it will return all values. Suppose this is my lookup cache. In my lookup cache, how many records are there? There are 11 records. First, we will connect to target. First record will go to target and 101 will come here. For 101, how many records are there in lookup cache? For 101, how many records are there in lookup cache? 3 records. So it will return all values. When you make lookup as an active transformation, it will return all values. It will return all values. And this source record will come 3 times. So if you make lookup as an active transformation, for 1 incoming record, it will give 3 outgoing records. So in this case, lookup will act as an active transformation. When lookup as an passive, under lookup policy on multiple match, you can choose any option, that is first value, last value, any value, report error. But how to make lookup as an active transformation? How to make lookup as an active transformation? How to make lookup as an active transformation? Anyone, please? Guys, please reply. How to make lookup as an active transformation? Delete this lookup. Create a lookup again. Delete the lookup which we have. Create a lookup again. While you are creating, you should select one option called return all values on multiple match. Return all values on multiple match. Check this box and come in and select the locations SRC. Select locations SRC. Select return all values on multiple match. Select locations SRC. Click on OK. And now in the properties, give the lookup name as LKP locations SRC. Now, in this, what are the unwanted columns? The unwanted columns are customer ID, address, state. I am removing this. We have location ID and postal code. Now see please, what will happen now? I am sending customer ID to lookup, location ID to lookup. These are the matching conditions. And here you give in underscore customer ID and in underscore location ID, in underscore customer ID, in underscore location ID, and the condition, we will give two conditions as per the requirement. Customer ID equal to customer ID, location ID equal to location ID. Now try to drag postal code to target. Are you able to drag? Are you able to drag? Concatenation disallowed on transformation, active transformation, it is saying. You cannot drag when lookup as an active. Did you try this? Anyone? When you are doing Powercenter, did you try this? Anyone? Did you try this? Anyone? When lookup as a passive, it can connect, but when lookup as an active, it cannot. You cannot do it. You cannot connect it. So, what is the workaround for it? The workaround is, I am showing you the workaround. Just delete all from the target. Just delete all from the target. Okay, source to target. Whatever you are sending to target from source, send it to lookup. What I am doing, I am showing again. So take a lookup. So when lookup is inactive, you cannot connect the values from lookup to target. So take as a lookup. In the lookup, return all values on multiple match. Here, what you do, locations SRC, take it. Location SRC. Now here, remove the unwanted columns. Remove the unwanted columns. Yes, please. I removed. Now what you do, you take in between this. So take the lookup in between source qualifier and target. Take the lookup in between source qualifier and lookup. Now send all the columns to lookup from source qualifier. Send all the columns from lookup to source qualifier. Understanding? Understanding, guys? Send all columns from lookup source qualifier to lookup, and whatever we want from source to target, you send it like this. Source to lookup all columns, lookup to target whatever is required, and then postal code and city. Postal code and city. You should connect like this. Now when you double click on lookup, go to condition, create the conditions, location ID equal to location ID, customer ID equal to customer ID, and now go to properties. Are you seeing lookup policy and multiple match? It is disabled and it has given use all values. By default, it is given use all values. When lookup is a passive, we had 4 options: use first value, last value, any value, report error. But when lookup is an active, this value will be disabled and it by default, it will give use all values. Use all values. Now my lookup is valid. This is the workaround you should do when lookup is an active in Powercenter. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? In that case, what will happen? In that case, what will happen? When 201 will go, 201 execution lookup cache. Is 201 execution lookup cache? Yes. Then get the related postal code and city. Next, 301 execution lookup cache. Is 301 execution lookup cache? Yes. Then get the related value. How many 301s? How many 301s? Only one, correct? Only one. Next, 401 will go here. 401. Is 401 execution lookup cache? Is 401 execution lookup cache? Yes. Only one value. Get the related value to target. Next, 701. Is 701 execution lookup cache? Is 701 execution lookup cache? Yes. How many 701s? How many 701s? 4 701s. So it will give all the 4. So this one, 701, correct? Hyderabad. So all the pin codes from Hyderabad, it will display, and this 701 will come 4 times. Yes, please. Now next, 601 will go to 801. 801 will go to lookup cache. Is 801 execution lookup cache? No, then it will return null. This is the value we will get it. These are the values we will get it when lookup is an active transformation. Are you clear, please? These are the values you will get it when lookup is an active transformation. So this is the workaround you have to do when lookup is an active transformation in Powercenter. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Understood, everyone? Now coming to IICS. Coming to IICS, it's very easy. You no need to delete all those things. You no need to do anything. Just in IICS, if you wanted to make lookup as an active transformation, in IICS, if you wanted to make lookup as an active transformation, just select the lookup, okay, and come to lookup object. Here, you just select return all rows. That's it. In IICS, it's very easy because anyway, all the columns are coming from lookup, then going to target, correct? Whatever there in source, all columns are coming to lookup. If you see the incoming fields, all are coming to lookup. All are coming to lookup. Okay, that is what we done here also. That's what we have done here also. Correct? Yes, please. All the columns came from lookup. See, these are all the source columns. These are all the source columns. And lookup columns, these are all the lookup columns, 4 columns. So these are all the lookup columns. Whichever we want, we'll send to target. So simply come to lookup and give lookup object return all rows and save. Understood, everyone? Now I will run and I will show you this. But for this, I have created one more mapping for this because in our source, in this, we don't have correct values. I have created one more mapping. I will show and I will execute the mapping. If you execute the mapping, it will give the same result because there are no multiple matches. Because there are no multiple matches in lookup, I have a mapping where I have multiple matches. If you see my source, cust underscore yes. So I have given the source here. My source, how many records in my source? In my source, I have 6 records, correct? I'll create one more. In my source, I'll create one more. As per the Excel sheet, I am creating. Okay. What is the one more source? The 50 is here. I'll take it. Let me create for your better understanding. Okay. Yeah. So 50 is Adya. So, and this is a Gmail ID. Adya's. Yes, please. And 75,701. 75,701. This is the source. And Ramya 50, Ramya C 50,801. This is 801. Okay. So 101, 201, 301, 401, 701, 801. Take this and execute in source schema. Cust underscore yes. Execute in source schema. Take this and execute in source schema. Yes, please. So we have 6 records in my source. Select star from cust underscore src. We have 6 records in the source. Okay. Next, coming to locations table. Let's see what and all we have in the locations table. We have, one second, please. This is the locations table, correct? So we have 101, 201, 301, 601, 701, 401, and 101, 3, 701, 2. Yeah, this is correct. So take this and execute in our source schema. Yes, please. So this is my locations. So, okay. So select star from LOC underscore yes. On target, you can create a target. Okay. In the target, I'll create a target also. Here we have a target statement already. In Snowflake, I have created target already. Cust locations T. The target is cust locations T. Okay. If you see here, DSC cust locations T. This is my target. DSC may not work here. I don't think so DSC will work. I'll tell you. So how to check the structure? Go to data, database, go to data databases, Snow DBSF, target, tables, cost location team. If you see here, it will show the create table statement. Customer ID, name, email ID, credit limit, postal code, city. Okay, like this we have. So the same thing I have took here in the mapping. This is my source. This is my lookup. In the lookup, what I have given in the lookup condition, I given location ID equal location ID because only one matching column, correct? Between these two tables, how many matching columns? Between these two tables, how many matching columns? Only one matching column. Location ID equal location ID. And under location, under lookup object, I took the location underscore yes. And here I given return all rows. I given return all rows. Understood? Yes, please. Understanding? Everyone, are you clear, please? Now I will run the mapping and I will show you. I will run the mapping and I will show you. Truncate table. I'm giving truncate table option. So because morning I already executed this, I will run this mapping and I'll show you. Do we have MCT for this? Let's see. Yeah, we have MCT. Run this MCT. Go to monitor. Check it out. Now it will send how many records. In my source, how many records are there? If it is passive, 6 records should send to target, correct? How many records in my source? That many records should go to target. But how many records will go, we'll see. How many records will go, we'll see more. Just wait, it will take some target and we'll see. This is my target, correct? So worksheets. Cost location stream executed. Yeah, you see, please. We got how many records? 11 records. You see this? See, 10 3 times. 560044 4243 Bangalore. Next, for Adya 4 records, 70403020. Yes? Is it work perfectly? Yes, please. So this is how lookup will act as active transformation in Powercenter or IICS, same way. There is no change at all.